Understanding the Basics of Nutrition, a comprehensive guide. Nutrition is an integral aspect of human health and well-being. It plays a vital role in supporting growth, maintaining health, and preventing various diseases. The food we consume provides us with essential nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. Understanding the basics of nutrition is crucial for making informed dietary choices and leading a healthy lifestyle. This article aims to provide a comprehensive guide to the fundamental principles of nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition refers to the science of how the body utilizes various substances in food to maintain life and support growth. These substances, known as nutrients, include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each nutrient has a specific role and function in the body, contributing to overall health and well-being. The 6 essential nutrients. 1. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy. They are broken down into glucose, which the body uses for fuel. There are 2 main types of carbohydrates: simple carbohydrates, sugars, and complex carbohydrates, starches and fibers. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes are good sources of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy and essential fiber for digestive health. 2. Proteins. Proteins are crucial for the growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues in the body. They are composed of amino acids, some of which are essential and must be obtained from the diet. Sources of protein include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, nuts, and legumes. 3. Fats. Fats are also a source of energy and are vital for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and maintaining cell structure. There are 3 main types of fats: saturated fats, unsaturated fats, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated, and trans fats. Healthy fats are found in nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish, while saturated and trans fats should be consumed in moderation to maintain heart health. 4. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds necessary for various bodily functions, including metabolism, immune system function, and cell repair. There are 13 essential vitamins, each with its own specific roles and sources. For instance, vitamin C is crucial for immune function and is abundant in citrus fruits, while vitamin D is essential for bone health and can be obtained from sunlight and fortified foods. 5. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic nutrients that play essential roles in various bodily functions, including bone health, nerve function, and fluid balance. Common minerals include calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. Foods such as dairy products, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are rich sources of minerals. 6. Water. Water is a fundamental nutrient and makes up a significant portion of our bodies. It is vital for regulating body temperature, aiding digestion, and transporting nutrients throughout the body. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for overall health and well-being. Understanding macronutrients versus micronutrients. Nutrients are broadly categorized into macronutrients and micronutrients based on the amount the body needs. Macronutrients. Macronutrients are nutrients that the body requires in large quantities. These include carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. They provide the energy necessary for bodily functions, growth, and physical activity. Micronutrients. Micronutrients are nutrients that the body needs in smaller quantities. These include vitamins and minerals. Despite being needed in smaller amounts, micronutrients are equally vital for various physiological processes and overall health. Balancing nutrients in the diet. A balanced diet involves consuming the right proportion of macronutrients and micronutrients to meet the body's needs for energy and overall health. Here are some tips for achieving a balanced diet. 1. Incorporate a variety of foods. Including a diverse range of foods in your diet ensures that you obtain a broad spectrum of nutrients. Aim for a colorful plate with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 2. Watch portion sizes. Understanding portion sizes is critical for maintaining a healthy weight and ensuring you're not overeating. Use measuring cups or a food scale to understand appropriate portion sizes for different food groups. 3. Limit processed foods and sugars. Processed foods and sugary snacks and beverages are often high in empty calories, providing little to no nutritional value. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods to ensure you're getting the necessary nutrients. 4. Balance macronutrients. Include a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in each meal. Aim for a variety of sources within these macronutrient categories for a well-rounded nutrient intake. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day is essential for overall health and can aid in managing hunger and supporting metabolic functions. Dietary guidelines and recommendations. National and international health organizations provide dietary guidelines and recommendations to help individuals make informed choices about their diet. These guidelines are based on scientific research and aim to promote overall health and prevent chronic diseases. 1. The Dietary Guidelines for Americans. The Dietary Guidelines for Americans, updated every 5 years by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, and the Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, provide recommendations for a healthy diet and lifestyle. The guidelines focus on balancing calories, making informed food choices, and being physically active. 2. The World Health Organization, WHO, recommendations. The WHO provides global recommendations on nutrition, emphasizing a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins while limiting saturated and trans fats, sugars, and sodium. They also address specific nutritional needs for different life stages and population groups. Common nutrition misconceptions. Understanding nutrition can be challenging due to various misconceptions and misinformation. Here are some common misconceptions and the truth behind them. 1. Myth: carbs are bad for you. Carbohydrates are an essential source of energy and a vital part of a balanced diet. The key is to choose complex carbohydrates from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables over refined sugars and processed foods. 2. Myth: all fats are unhealthy. Not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are necessary for a balanced diet and should be included in moderation. 3. Myth: skipping meals is a good way to lose weight. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day and negatively affect your metabolism. It's important to eat regular, balanced meals to maintain energy levels and support weight management. Conclusion: understanding the basics of nutrition is crucial for making informed dietary choices that promote overall health and well-being. By familiarizing yourself with the essential nutrients, balancing macronutrients and micronutrients, and following dietary guidelines, you can achieve a healthy and balanced diet. It's important to stay updated on reliable nutrition information and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized dietary advice based on your specific needs and circumstances.